Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn Robux on Roblox application. So, of course, some of you will not know what does Robux mean. So, of course, here we are. If you find your username at the top right corner and click at the icon, which is that's the icon of Robux, just click on it. And as you can see, for me, I have 0 Robux, and of course, you can buy Robux by here. That's how you can actually earn it for now. And of course there is some other options, but first of all, if you don't have the Roblox application installed on your PC, you'll need to go and open the browser that you're using. Then of course just go to the URL and type roblox.com. From there, if you have an account, you'd like to log in into it. If you don't, you'd like to create your account. Then once you actually created your account and log in into it, they will provide you the link to download it on your PC. So once it's actually uploaded on your PC, you'll need to downloaded and uploaded. So once it's actually downloaded into your PC, you'll need just to open the application, and then you'll need to log in again into your account. You'll find this as your home screen, and of course you may have here different games depending on what you actually played recently or what a Roblox suggestion to you. So of course, the way to get Robux on Roblox application or game, the first of course option is, as I said, you can purchase it or buy it in your application. Just from here, click here, and you will be able to buy it from here. And of course, the second option is, if you have account with the membership, you will actually receive some Robux some stipend. So it will like get like a salary or a wave if you have a membership on Roblox. And of course, the third option is account with membership can sell shirts and pants, and they will get a percentage of the profit of what they're selling. And of course, the last option is any user can build an experience and earn Robux in a variety of ways. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.